In front of me is POCO C75, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Then select All Services, Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Now to add a password, hit Add Password here and input all of those informations. At the top you can select any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!